Hello, this is an unboxing video for manufacturer number AU11590. This is by Barska Optics. This is a Barska red laser with 160 lumen flashlight with quick release mount. I'm going to take it out of the box here with you so you can get a better idea of what comes inside and how it comes packaged. Here you have your cleaning cloth and your Allen key. Hold that up so you can see. This will be your momentary on and off long cable switch. This will be your product registration information. Information on your warranty. This here will be your instruction manual. I'll hold this up here for you. Down here would be your laser housing, your flashlight housing, your quick release tab. You have your on and off switch right here. And this thing here would be your selector switch. And again, this is a Barska red laser with 160 lumen flashlight with quick release mount, and this is by Barska Optics.